All right, I'm here to talk about the Boss Buck feeder. This specifically, we rigged this up to be a protein feeder. Man, we've had this one. This is a 15-year review. We've had this thing for 15 years, the exact one. It's held up really well. Even the tri-protein has been scarred up, messed up by raccoons, and it's held up really well. You can actually see scratch marks in it when I try to get in. There's chew marks on the back side. Still working great. I would highly recommend these. They last you quite a while. This is a gravity fed system. We haven't had a whole lot of spoilage. Maybe once when we didn't have a high deer population from protein sitting here and rotting out. But there's a drain hole that comes standard in these ports. Put a little bit on the ground, yeah. Some piles. All right, we'll see how it does. So get you one of these, grow your deer herd, make them bigger.
Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right.